Sir, Pandit K. Sangha, Humble Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And now, to our guest of honor, Sir Preston Tinsong.
One, two, and three. Good.
Cooperative society. Lately, the population of Mallangkona decides to donate a plot of land to the outpost at which this building, and the rest being the armed personnel. These 19 villages falls under the jurisdiction of outpost as per the order of our neighboring state Assam, and it falls under the Mausen Road police station. The outpost started operating on 12 September 2000 and thus becoming the Mallangkona police outpost proper. Initially, the outpost functions with only one UBSI, one UB.
Dakwanga Ajini, Sir B.D. Marak, MTS Superintendent Post, which is constructed under the PIRS scheme initiative.
So we are here, as I've said to you, to serve the people of the state, and as the government, we are committed and we are here before you, and also to assure the people of the state that from now on we will leave no stone unturned as far as developmental activities is concerned. And at the same time,
but I was very, very happy when Vikram came to me and asked me to please attend this inauguration. When I came here, I was even more happy when I saw the kind of infrastructure that had come up. It is a testament to the teamwork between the district police and the district administration. So I'm sure that with this example of Mallangkona OP, you would give us even more under the PIRF scheme. I'd like to place on record my thanks also to both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of police for giving us the support and for starting this PIRF scheme, which has been a long felt need in the police department.